around and you wonder to yourself, oh man, it would be so cool if I had my own business, or it would be so cool if I worked at this place. Oh, it'd be so cool if I made this amount of money. It would be so cool if I could go to this school, or oh, it would be so badass if I could talk to that girl over there or something like that, or if that was my girlfriend or something like that. You know what? Stop saying it would be so cool. Just get off your ass and do it. Do it. Just do it. It's as simple as that. Don't sit around. Don't have a great idea. Like a lot of people, they sit around, oh man, it would be so cool if somebody invented this or somebody did this or something. Stop with the somebody. Just do it yourself. Do it. Just do it. It's simple as that. If you got a great idea, guys, or if you want something out in the world, you want something, you got a dream, you got something you want to do in life, get up off your ass and go do it. It's as simple as that. If you're not on the pathway of doing it, you need to get your ass on the pathway to do it. You got a wish, you got a dream, you want something to happen in your life, you think it would be cool, you wish that, or whatever, get up off your ass and do it. You got to have faith in yourself, you got to believe in yourself, get up off your ass and do it. It's that damn simple. It sounds more difficult than you're making it sound. When you think about it and you dwell on it and all that, you're making it more difficult than it needs to be. Honestly, you really are. You're making it more difficult than it needs to be. Take it from me, guys. Take it from me. I remember I was driving down the street with my kids one day, and I was like, man, wouldn't that be crazy if we had a YouTube channel? That would be so crazy. Oh, man, wouldn't that be some crazy stuff if we had fans and all kinds of stuff like that? That would be wow. And then the kids get into it. Oh, man, what if this? What if that? What if all this stuff? And then the kids started coming up with pranks. Jake came up with some pranks. I started vlogging and stuff like that. And instead of just talking about it like we normally did, we just did it. Jake was bugging me forever to do that prank on Cody. He was bugging me forever. And then one day I was just like, the hell with it. Let's do it. You guys want a YouTube channel that bad? Let's do it. Let's stop talking about it and let's just do it and see what happens. Because that's the thing, guys. That's the thing. What do you got to lose? If you got a dream or you want to know, oh, what if this happened? What if? Stop worrying about what if. Find out. That's the big thing right there. Find out. Don't live in what if land. Find out. Find out what would happen. What do you got to lose? You want to start a YouTube channel, guys? Because a lot of you guys say, oh, I wish I had a YouTube channel or something like that. Don't wish. Do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just make the channel, make a vlog, learn how to do keywords and stuff like that, thumbnails, all that stuff like that. Learn about AdSense and all that stuff. Learn as much as you can. Knowledge is power. Learn as much as you can and then just do it. See what happens. You never know. You could be the next big YouTube star. You never, ever know until you try. My grandfather used to always say that. You never know till you try. So, that's what I want to tell you all right now. That's what I wanted to tell you all today. I don't want to sit here and talk too much. I don't want to keep rambling because I tend to do that. But basically, bottom line is, guys, don't live in what if land. Don't just sit around wishing. Don't sit around, oh, this would be cool, that would be cool. Do it. You don't got nothing to lose. Don't live your whole life looking back on, oh man, I wonder what would have happened if I would have did this. Just do it. What do you got to lose? Do it. Do it. You never know. You could be somebody awesome. To me, you're already somebody awesome. To your family, you're already someone awesome. But I'm just saying, you could be, who knows, you could be the next big celebrity or something. You never know. You might change the world with that one little idea you had. might just change the world. Think about that for a second. So thank you all. What did you learn just now?
If you lie, your parents aren't going to believe you because they know when you lie, because whenever you lie, you do a certain thing. Or like you start to cry or say you swear you didn't do it. And that way, then every time you lie, your parents know you're lying. So you shouldn't do it. Because if you lie, you're just going to get in more trouble. Which isn't going to get you anywhere in life. But a bad place.
Will people ever believe you if you lie all the time?
No.
Go get in the shower.